Today we're going to look at Frost & Sullivan, an industry and tech research database. Frost contains reports on how innovations can impact certain industries. Industry overviews, analysis, and forecast information are also available. To look at the range of industries that Frost & Sullivan covers, you can click on the Browse function. Before we start a search, here are some tips. Try to use the advanced search function. The quick search function that's on the main page may get you a lot of results, but they may not always be the relevant ones. If your search doesn't bring up a lot of results, you can try looking at the reports that are already there and see what kind of keywords are used in the title and content. You can then use these words to do additional searching. As with all NUS Library subscribed resources, start your search from the NUS Library portal. To access Frost & Sullivan, go to the Databases tab and then search for Frost. Then click on the link provided. Once you have logged in, you should see the overview page with the latest reports that have been uploaded into the database. You can limit it by the industry or the region, or do a quick search using the two text boxes provided. To browse the industries that are covered, you can open up the menu and click on the Browse. Each of these industries will have sectors and subsectors underneath it. So for instance, if we look at information and communication tech, it may have additional sectors, and then under these sectors, there will be additional subsectors, and so forth. The list on your right will change according to the industry and sectors that you have selected. To do a search, click on the search function, and the advanced search function is here. You can put in the keywords that you wish to search for here. Synonyms can be put here, and words that you wish to exclude can be put here. You can also limit it by the currency of the reports. So let's say if I only want reports from the last 5 years. Let's try a search like ride hailing. You can see that there are overview reports such as these that have forecasts up to 2025 or 2030, regional reports, as well as global reports. To read any of these, just click on the title. What I find useful about Frost & Sullivan is that it does not assume the user is necessarily fluent in the technical jargon of that industry, and so they often provide some abstract summaries and explanations of the technology that they are analyzing. The language that is used to write the report is also understandable and in plain English. The format of the reports are usually in slide format, so you may want to copy and paste some of these slides for your presentations. Just make sure that you attribute it accurately to Frost & Sullivan. To download these reports, there is the PDF button on the top right corner. So that's our coverage today for Frost & Sullivan. If you need more assistance, feel free to email me at this email address. Thank you.